Again, this Java Runtime Environment or JRE is a combination of library which is used to run the applications, and also it's include a JVM. So this JDK, JRE, JVM. As you are going to learn Java, so you will mostly get these three terms: JDK, JRE, JVM. Let's understand the concept of these three terms with some practical scenario. John asks his partner Max, "Hey Max, 2 plus 2 is equal to how much?" Then Mark listens John's questions and calculate it in his mind and reply, "It is equal to 4." But let's assume if John asks the same questions to his computer. "Hey computer, 2 plus 2 is equal to how much?" No reply come from computer. Why? It is because computer could not understand John's language. It can only understand instructions in byte code. Now what is that? This is nothing but 0101, this format. So it is tough for John to convert his questions in that format, right? Here our high level language Java comes in picture, where as a developer we have to write program or code to give instructions to computer. Now understand the flow of this diagram. So as a Java developer, we have to write our code in a text editor, and this code will be saved as a .java file which is called a Java source code. Now in our machines there is a compiler installed which basically convert this Java source code into a byte code. Okay, this is called a .class file. Now there is a concept of JVM, Java Virtual Machine, which basically translate the byte code for the target platform, and we will get the output. So basically we need a software which is called JDK, Java Development Kit. Okay, now this Java Development Kit is a combination of some development tool like Java, Java C, something like that, and also it include JRE. So what is this JRE? JRE is basically a Java runtime environment. Again, this Java runtime environment or JRE is a combination of library which is used to run the applications, and also it's include a JVM. So this JVM is a Java virtual machine which basically a runtime environment for executing the Java bytecode. Now if we check this JDK, JRE or JVM definition, so these are nothing but something like this. So JDK is Java Development Kit, where JDK is responsible for prime development. So it is contain tool for develop, debug and monitor Java applications. Whereas JRE is nothing but Java runtime environment, where it's responsibility for creating environment for code executions. And JVM stand for Java Virtual Machine. It is nothing but a runtime environment for executing the Java bytecode. So here we understand that to develop any Java program, we need a JDK software. So we actually need this JDK tool to be installed in our machine to start our Java program. Let's meet in the next class to understand how to install JDK. I believe this video has helped you to understand about the topic. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, click on the bell notifications and select all so that you don't miss any video from this channel.